Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Living Radio Scanners. My name is your host, Tommy Cam. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, in this video, I would like to talk to you guys about my radio scanner, and this radio scanner right here, which I really do like. Thank you to my mom for paying for it. You are the best. And also there is like so much more like different stuff that I've been looking around on here, which I think is really kind of interesting. And this is off the Indianapolis International Airport website. So they got like different transportation options. So they got like scheduled bus travel, which scheduled bus services like you guys can use like Indianapolis. You guys got like Indigo, you guys got Bloomington, and the Columbus one, you guys got like Go Express Travel. Bloomington, you guys got Go Express Travel and Star of America. So the Star of America, this one is an interesting one because just saying Star of America is like the bestest Bloomington Transit one that they have had in a long time. But whenever you guys use like Go Express Travel, now Go Express Travel is like a totally different one. Okay, because Go Express Travel, what you guys have to do, which I think is really interesting, is that rates are just $29 and you guys can ride one of those buses and you guys can ride that all the way up to the airport. Now the first place that they stop at is like right here. I'm going to turn you guys around. This is where they stop at first, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here. That is like showing like all their times and stuff, which I think is really kind of interesting. So their airport schedule from like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. That's what that looks like, which I think is really kind of interesting. And like whenever you guys like go to the airport and stuff and you guys are wondering about like what kind of communication they use, all you guys got to do is like, let's just say I'm wanting to visit the Orlando International Airport. And that's where I type in MCO, which is the Orlando International Airport. Which the Orlando International Airport is like a wonderful airport. It is like located 6 miles southwest of downtown Orlando, Florida. So that right there is my RIA scanner. And that right there was the Jackson County Sheriff. But strangely today with the Jackson County, with that Jackson County radio service, I haven't been getting, I put in a new talk group on there the other day, which was called IU Lifeline, and surprisingly, whenever like IU Lifeline goes through here, I don't know when they come. I use like for instance, like I use the today's software. You know, I try to find out like where all this stuff goes, but you guys got so many like different problems like each day with your radio scanner stuff, which I think is really kind of weird. On that end, it's like just saying like Bedford has a problem with their radio scanners. Now, because of all their radio frequencies are like encrypted, all their radio frequencies are like different, utilized by encryption, all of them, which I think is so very awkward. And also, let's just say you guys ride Virgin Voyages, and that new cruise line Virgin Voyages, and you guys don't know what their radio frequencies are, and you guys don't know what they use. You guys have a desperate problem. So on that end, so what in the world is going on? That's my question. And you guys even got like the Suncrest Casino, which this one is like the Victory City, the Victory Cruise Line Casino. Like their radio frequency is like real interesting. So theirs is in like Port Richey, Florida, but they are showing that right there all the way in. See, they should have like a port in Port Canaveral, but look, right here. This right here is just showing, and this right here, it's their current cruise line right now in Port Canaveral. And this is the Victory Cruise Line. They got their own Victory card. They got their own transportation. They even got their own newcomers. They even got like About Us. They got like gaming. They even got live crabs all the way down to sportsbook and slots. Now going on around looking, they got even like some local restaurants, which I think is really kind of cool, which I think they got, which one of the restaurants which I recommend you guys try out is their barbecue restaurant, because this restaurant they got is like so very good. I tried it out myself, and this restaurant is like, it's like really good. And that's it right there, Gators Dockside. And that right there, and you guys see what the current temperature is there right now. It's 79 degrees, and we are really cold here. So, also, if we go back here, this is like their ship operations. This right here is like their ticketing, security, and casino radio frequency. I typed that in my radio scanner, and that frequency right there, just to let you guys know, is so very encrypted that you guys can not even listen to that. Now they even got the Stellar Casino lines. This one I don't know about. So we are going to type this one in. This one has like Stellar Casino cruise, which they in Port Canaveral, their ports of call, which they use like free admission, which I think is really kind of cool. That right over there is my radio scanner, which I picked up ISP Bloomington like a lot lately, just to let you guys know. So, also like looking on here, they got like on here, they got like toll games, they got like 50, they got like daily cruises, they even got dining, they even got very auxiliary, they even got Stellar Casino line, their own website, which I think is really kind of cool. But this right here is their website, but their website is down right now. So how in the world can you guys find information about it without the website being down? That is my question. So also, like right here, they go around 7 days a week. They do evening cruises at 7 p.m. return at midnight. They got 11 a.m. every in like Steeler Cruise Line's terminal. You guys use this to value state or federal ID in order to board. You guys got like the Stellar Ambassador 2. That's what the ship's called. So like going on down and right here, if we click on this, there's Stellar Casino Lines Terminal. We look that up. And that's where it's at right there. That's where that's at. And then going on down, we look around. Now we've been on that website. They don't work. Now they cease operations, which I think that is so very silly. Now when they cease operations, you guys got only two choices. The first choice is that I'm going to show you guys what this cruise ship looks like. So their cruise ship is like right here. It's a 100,074 passenger vessel and a cost of 500 jobs. Now you guys don't get to see what their story looks like because they probably took it out. So I hope everybody is doing really good, and I don't want this video to be like a really big bummer for everybody. I'm just talking about this because my cruise is coming up in like 4 months, which I feel really excited about and I'm looking forward to. So I hope everybody is having a great day. Please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. Please be sure to follow my channel for continuous updates. And I will be back with you guys later. Maybe this afternoon. I don't know. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button.